Hello again everyone, welcome to an eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Crown Royal box break number 5. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Here's the serial number, NE991-78214. So let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everyone. Here we go, pack 1. We have base, and we have in harm's way. Card hit for the Leafs of James Reimer. And it looks like we have a rookie silhouettes. Here we go. Rookie silhouettes card for the Ottawa Senators of David Rundblad. Number 81 out of 99. That card goes to the Senators. Nice hit for Ottawa. And you have a base of Trevor Linden. And a base. So nice start. Pack number 2. You have base and base. You have a mythology jersey for the Boston Bruins of Ray Bourque. Nice hit for Boston. And a ruby parallel of Rich Peverly. And base. Pack 3. You have base and base. And you have a redemption. The rookie royalty signatures card number 157. So let's figure this out. So the rookie royalty signature number 157 is right here, and it's Devontae Smith-Pelly. So that card goes to the Ducks. Decoy. Got an Ice Kings card of Corey Perry. Hit for the Ducks. And base. And the final pack. We have base. And base. And we have an Heirs to the Throne card for the New York Rangers of Derek Steffen. A rookie card of for the Flyers of Eric Gustafson. And base to finish it off. So thank you very much again everybody for watching. Hope to see you again next time.